Apart from infrastructure, India has witnessed a massive rise of cell phone users, second only to China, at around 1.28 billion users and will overtake China before 2030. India today has more than 800 million or 80 crore internet users and will soon overtake China with more than 1.2 billion internet users before year 2030. From just $18 billion digital transaction in year 2013, India today carries out more digital transaction than that of US and China combined at around $85 billion per year. The second most important factor has been the taxation reforms. The tax collection under the Goods and Services Tax or GST has reached all-time high with annual collection peaking at 16 lakh crore rupees. India has grown at around 7.2% in year 2023 and will continue to grow by average of 7% until year 2030. Thus, every single company wants to invest in India. Today, all major global firms like Apple, Samsung, Daiko, Foxconn, Adidas, LG, Wistron, Thomson, Thomas, Cisco, Amazon, etc. are investing billions of dollars in India as a proof of their faith in India's growth story. The 10th and most important reform has been the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code reform of 2016, which has finally allowed a firm to wind up their business easily in case of an insolvency and bankruptcy, unlike pre-2013 era when if a company went bankrupt, it would be haunted by multiple government agencies for all kind of reasons. All these factors has allowed India to surpass France and UK economically, and by year 2026, India will overcome Germany and Japan to become the third largest economy in the world. Thus, India is on the right path to become a global superpower by as early as 2035. Stay tuned to know more, like and subscribe your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Jai Hind.